Hello, guys. I hope you guys are having a wonderful day and having a great day, guys. Guys, today I'm going to talk about how to grow in 2020. So, guys, let's get started. This video is not going to be a tutorial or anything like that. It's just going to be a like things that I have learned throughout my journey of being a streamer. So I want to share this information with you. I don't have like a lot of followers or anything like that. On Twitch, I only have like 226. On my Facebook page, I only have 184. On my Instagram, I have 1,030 followers. And in my Twitter account, I have 211 followers. So guys, all these tips that I'm gonna share with you guys are not gonna be things that are gonna 100% may not work for you. These are things that I have done that have worked for me to gain this little amount of followers that I have right now. And they're not just followers, they're people that I have interaction like day by day with them. So one of the things that I have learned is that it doesn't matter what you do in your social media or whatever it is that you're doing, like you need to bring like value to the person that is watching your either your stream, your video, or your picture. I've learned that people love and like better when people are just genuinely sharing some information or just sharing something or thoughts that you have experienced. You might have followers, or I don't know, you may have people that basically they tell you in your comments follow for follow, or follow and I like, or stuff like that. Like I have tried that. I'm not gonna lie, I have tried that and that doesn't work. Yes, at the moment it seems like it works because you're getting followers, but at the end that person is just gonna follow you and he or she is gonna go away. So I have learned that you just need to be yourself. And I know this is gonna sound cliche or something like that, but just being yourself and just actually bring value to the person that is watching you, like teach him something, or I don't know, tell them about your life, what you have been past in your life, that you overcome a problem and you fix it, and you can share that information and that knowledge to your viewers. And that's, I think it's like the best way that you can grow, because people are gonna be like, I had the same problem and he's telling me to do this, and now I can fix it. And he does it, and then afterwards he goes to your comments and say, hey, thank you, I appreciate your information, I did it, and now the problem is solved. If you look like the big amount of streamers, they basically they teach people how to do something. They either give good content and teach somebody something, or they're just bringing people value. They just lift people's up with their stream or videos or pictures. They just give good positive vibes. So I feel like in 2020 the best way to grow your stream, your YouTube, any social media, is just being yourself. That's one. Give value to the people. That's two. And three, teach somebody something that you know, because I'm 100% sure that you know something that I don't know, that you might do a video that it will help me a lot, and I will be grateful that you make that video. Just what I'm doing right now. Probably people are not sharing this kind of information, like raw information, just how I'm telling to you just now. They're giving to you a lot of different stuff that you need to do this or whatever and do this, blah blah blah. You can see it, like you can actually see it in your results that you having right now. If you're doing something that is not working, it's just because you're not doing the correct things that you need to do in order to get to that point that you want to be. So I have learned through all these years that I've been streaming and learning about creating content, editing videos, and a bunch of other stuff that you as a creator content you need to know. I have been learning, and the thing is that now the little amount that I have learned, I'm sharing it to you so that you don't have those kind of problems, or you just be more quickly than I've been being all these years, and you can, I don't know, even pass me, because I will be more grateful and I will be more happy if you take this information and you pass me in every way, and you just say in a video to me, hey, thank you, I appreciate it, thanks to you now I have grown a lot, thank you. That for me, it's gonna be more fulfilling than anything else. So guys, I'm just gonna leave this video till here. I know it's a short video, and I hope 100% that you guys give value, teach somebody something, and guys, just be you. Yeah guys, I will see you later in the next video.